What's going on, folks? Moving picker back. I'm gonna try to go ahead and knock out a couple of challenge lock videos. So as normal for me, this is gonna be a whole spew of challenge lock videos all at one go, and yeah, publish different days. I have got one I've been wanting to pick on, I just haven't had time to. Hopefully I don't make a fool of myself on this. But before you find out what it is, come check us out on Discord. Awesome group of people there. And yeah, link is in the description. This one is Yale O Dragon, pinned by Pickme1977. Been wanting to get a hold of a couple of these, the dragon locks, so this ought to be fun. This one came from Pickaholic. We are trying the new camera mount, so y'all have to let me know how this goes in the comments, because I'm doing it from more of a top angle than, you know, normal. So yeah, let me know. Let's see, what do I want to use to pick it with? Now, I know the tensioner I want, but where is it? Alright, let's just do this. Pull the whole case over to me. There we are. And put that back. And we are going to go with a multi-pick hook. I'm actually going to grab my other one too, because we're going to go short hook first and then a good medium hook after. Hope everyone's doing pretty good. Been pretty much busy, so haven't had a whole lot of time to be picking on video or anything. I don't like the way that's going. See here. Let's go with a bit thinner pick. I know, oh my god, I'm using Peterson picks after Bosley and Bill said don't. I don't care. Me personally, I like the 18 thousandths picks. Let's see. So far, it's looking like I'm going to be making a fool of myself. There we go. Got a little bit of a false set there. Okay, that was like kind of a little too easy. I think that one was all up there. Alright. Probably could have zoomed in. Oh well, still learning this whole new setup again. You know, I went and I bought me a new set of snap ring pliers, but I don't have them nearby. So we're gonna rig something up here. It's starting to work. If I can keep from locking it up. Oh, so close. There we go. Alright, I have seen this one picked on video, but I do not remember what's in it, so shim it is. And follower. Yeah, that's still in frame. Don't need those in frame. And all the key pins are in there. Like I said, mummied keys. I'm not unwrapping it. All good looking pins. Let's see. Alright, it's just 3 and 4 that are threaded. Now, let's pull the ones at the top. There's the crazy dragon pins that he made. Kind of like to know what he used on those. There's like no spring tension on that one. Alright, let's go to the other side. This one's got a lot of the dragon pins in it. I'd say another couple of pecks and I'm not going to try to get that one out anymore. If they don't want to come out, I am not forcing them. Alright. And let's see. Oh, I do have a flashlight in here. Alright, it looks like 3 and 4 are threaded in the top 2. So, we're going to try something out here. See about centering that up in the viewfinder. A little forward some more. We're going to just try to zoom in. Nope. Alright. That lens doesn't go in far enough. Come on. Let's see. It's about as good as we're gonna get here. Good looking pins from him. Hopefully y'all can see those. I can't see them from behind the camera. Alright folks. Until next time.